Hey everyone, welcome to Asad Tech and Review YouTube channel. If you're planning a beach vacation or looking for an easy way to enjoy snorkeling without complicated gear, this video is for you. Today we're taking a close look at the G2Rise SN01 full face snorkel mask for adults and kids. This mask is designed for surface snorkeling and focuses on comfort, safety, and natural breathing, especially for beginners. Unlike traditional snorkels, this is a full face mask. That means you can breathe naturally through both your nose and mouth. The SN01 uses a dual-channel airflow system where fresh air enters through one path and exhaled air exits through a separate channel. This design helps reduce carbon dioxide re-inhalation and meets international safety standards for snorkel masks. Fogging is a very common problem with snorkel masks. Here, the airflow system keeps warm exhaled air away from the lens, which helps minimize fog buildup and keeps your view clear underwater. At the top of the snorkel tube is a floating ball valve. When you're above water, the valve stays open for smooth airflow. As soon as the snorkel goes underwater, the ball rises and seals the tube, preventing water from entering the mask. The curved tempered glass lens offers a wide 180-degree field of view. This helps reduce tunnel vision and allows you to enjoy more of underwater scenery naturally. The mask includes a built-in action camera mount on the top. It's compatible with most action cameras, making it easy to capture hands-free snorkeling footage. The SN01 is made with a durable silicone frame and a soft, high-elasticity silicone seal that fits comfortably around the face. The adjustable straps use a quick adjust button design and the overall weight is around 200 grams, so it feels light and balanced in the water. This mask is available in multiple sizes: XS for kids, S, M, and LXL for adults and teens. To choose the correct size, measure from the bridge of your nose to the bottom of your chin. It also comes with a wide range of color options, including black-green, black-blue, black-white, gray-blue, blue-green, purple-pink, purple-blue, orange-black, pink-black, pink-white, and more. The G2Rise SN01 is currently priced around $30, discounted from its original price. There's also a 10% off coupon available, making it a strong value for a full face snorkel mask in this category. So, if you're looking for a beginner-friendly snorkel mask for surface use, the G2Rise SN01 offers naturally breathing, wide visibility, leak protection, and solid build quality. It's a simple and comfortable option for casual snorkeling and vacation use. Thanks for watching Asad Tech and Reviews. See you in the next one.